Hey bestie, welcome to another luxury haul, and this time we're gonna unbox this gorgeous Dior bag that I got for my client together, so let's get to it. I really love Dior packaging. It feels like Christmas every time you unbox their parcel. And may I present to you, ladies and gents, the gorgeous and classic Montaigne bag in blue Dior oblique jacquard. When I saw the bag online, I was expecting it to be a little heavier, but surprisingly it was quite lightweight despite the look, and it is very sturdy, and the weight on the CD clasp logo makes it feel exclusive and of course expensive. After all, we are paying for the brand, so they better make our money worth. I love the fact that this bag comes with the adjustable leather strap. It makes it easier to style it. You can wear it as a crossbody or shoulder bag. It's a versatile bag that you can wear it out formally or casually. And I also love the leather interior and the space that comes with it. There is one zip pocket and a phone pocket, and if you're like me who don't like to open and close the bag all the time just to get your phone, this bag have a functional back pocket that you can keep your phone for easy access. All in all, this bag really makes me happy despite a minor threading issue. If you're looking for a classic Dior bag with good amount of space, look exclusive and versatile, hands down this will be the one. Or you can also consider the Lady Dior, though it might not be as spacious, but personally for me, if it's my first Dior bag and if I have the budget, I will get the Lady Dior just because I love the late Princess Diana and that bag is named after her. Anyway, that's all for today. A little note to everyone watching: if you adore her, Dior her. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!